Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring out green or blue eyes and how I created this look. So we're going to get right into it. I've already prepped this other eye. I did not do my brows on that side, but anyways. So I purchased several of Charlotte Tilbury's palettes. You're going to see them in different videos. Today, we're going to be doing this one. This is the Copper Charge palette. I love it. So this was made to make your eyes really stand out, look bigger when you have blue or green eyes. And you can see the difference between both of my eyes. And I did something a little different too, because I'm going to be using this pencil, which I'm going to need a backup of, because I'm going to be going through this like crazy, as I freaking love it. Okay, so first step that we're going to do is I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Just wiping it off right now. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. Okay. Just going to take that color. I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. I was looking at Charlotte Tilbury's eyes and I'm like, oh my gosh, her eye look is so pretty. I have red here, not red like hers. Hers is more coppery red, but you can see I have a lot of red in my hair. I have the same eye color, similar to hers, very similar to her. So I'm like, if she can do it, I can do it. Okay, she's 50, I'm 57, I can do it. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this one right here. This is a very easy look, by the way. Actually, do that again. So I'm going to go in and use this look. I'm sorry myself. I'm going to go in and use this color right now. Take 3. I'm going to go in and use this color right here. This is a very easy look, as you will see. So I'm just getting in my crease, going in my outer corner, and applying it. This is so easy to work with. I really love her eyeshadows. I know some people say it's overhyped. I don't think so. I've tested a lot of different makeup before, and I would say right now Charlotte Tilbury is probably my favorite brand. I probably have the most out of her makeup. I'm not saying I love everything, because I've shared that before. I purchase everything myself too. I've never been sent anything PR from her, so I do really like it. I used to be into Chanel, but they've been a disappointment for me for a while. Next, we're going to go in with this color right here. Same brush. And just keep on layering it. That's what I'm doing. Just layering it, layering it, layering it. Getting on the outer corner and making sure I put it on top. Now I'm going to go in and just use a little bit of that first one. I'm going to go back and just use a little bit just on that top part. I'm not going above it. I'm just really going on top of it just to kind of soften a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to mix these two shades. So first the first one, and then the second one, and then I'm just going to apply it on my lid. Oh my gosh, is that gorgeous or what? So pretty. Oh, I love it. I need my close mirror so I can see a little better. Make sure that everything is blended. Oops, I see something on that side. Okay. All right, we're almost done. Now I'm going to take this pencil, okay? And hopefully it's sharp enough. I wonder if I should sharpen it. Yeah, I probably should sharpen it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and go on my, right above my lash line. I'm not going to make it really thick or anything. Just getting it at that lash line. Then we're just going to do a little flick. And don't worry about it being perfect, because I'll show you how you can fix it, okay? So we're just making that little flick. So I got that little flick there. Easy, right? I'm going to go back in this inner corner here because I want to get a little bit more. I'm going to go take this into my tight line as well. And I have to get that. Okay. Then I'm just bringing it down here. And I'm going to bring it underneath as well. So I'm just following my lower lash line. and I'm connecting it too. Then I'm going to take a smudger brush, BK Beauty smudger brush. I'm going to go in with that color right there first. And I'm going to take it, and now I'm going to just soften that look down there. And I need to take this a little bit more in this corner here, I can see. I just use like really light pressure and little strokes. I'm trying to match both eyes. I'm going to go back here and just kind of like that. Kind of giving my eye more of like a, I don't even know. You'll see when I'm done. It's going to look more lifted once I have my lashes on, but it just kind of lifts my eye up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to do a couple things. Next, I'm going to go in and take this shimmery color first. And I'm going to, again, just blend this out. And if you feel like you've dragged it down too far, then I will take a brush like this. This is my Fit Club Beauty brush. And I will just lightly just kind of soften the edges up a little bit. Now I'm going to take the other side, that's kind of like more of a metallic-y side, and I'm going to go right on top of this. And it's so pretty. I feel like I need to go a little bit darker though. I feel like I did want heavier on the other eye because it looks darker. So I'm going to go back. And then I'll go back. I don't know why I put the pencil down. There we go, that's better. And I'm just going to take this and soften. It's just kind of playing around with how much depth you want in there. I just want to check the top here and see, yep, looks good. I'm just going to go a little bit heavier, but I don't want it to be thick. And I'm just doing little strokes here. I think it looks good, my wings. But if you don't like it, if you don't like your wing, use a brush like, hold on a second. If you don't like the way your wing is, one of the things you can do is use a brush like this. This one's from Clay to Poe. You don't have to get it, okay? But get one like this that's kind of shaped like that, really thin, because then you can go in and you can just, you've seen me do it. I'll go on the edges and I'll just go like that, and it just, some people use their nails, and I've seen people do that. Something I did on the other side, and I want to do it here too, is I just want to do a little bit of this. I'm not going to get it really close to where I did my eye look, but I'm just doing this because I want to lift my eye up a little bit more. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Radiance concealer. I do not like it under my eyes, but I like to use it on my face. I used it down here today too, just to kind of create more of a lift. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. I told you this is super easy. And then I'm going to use this mascara, and I'm sure I've talked about this before. This is, again, from Charlotte Tilbury too. I feel like most of the stuff that I'm wearing is from Charlotte Tilbury today. I'll put everything else in the description. I think even the lipsticks, all Charlotte Tilbury. I'll talk about that at the end of the video, okay? So this is the color Dream Pop. It's called Dream Pop. So it's a brown color, and what that does is it just, again, it's just going to bring out my eyes more. If you have blue or green eyes, this is beautiful. I hated her mascara when I first started. When I tried it, I freaking hated it. I hated it. But I got a sample back there in one of my boxes that I bought, and I really like it. I really like it. The only complaint I will say is I get a little bit of flaking with it. So that's a negative. If you don't like flaking, then you're not going to like it. But my lashes are different now because I started using that Grande Lash Serum. So my lashes are just different. They hold a curl better. They're just different than they used to be. I don't know what to say, but because I hated it. I bought it myself, and I ended up giving it to my daughter because I hated it. I never returned it. I just gave it to her. But then when I tried the other one, I'm like, I'm going to get this particular color because I saw people wearing it, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's so nice. And it's a different thing, different color than just wearing black, So I'm going to keep putting this on. I'm going to do my hair. And I'm going to talk about I'm going to talk about my lip combination that I'm wearing today as well. Now you can see how red my hair is. Now you can see. When it's pulled back, you can't really see how red my hair is. And I finished my other brow, by the way. I did that off camera, of course. I thought I was done, and I'm like, girl, you're not done. So anyways, I love this. It's so pretty. So if you have green eyes or blue eyes, I think you're going to like it. And I definitely would recommend this pencil. So like, I'm going to have to back up because it's actually pretty tiny. I know. So let's talk about the lip combo. So I'm wearing Hot Gossip lip liner. Okay, it's this one right here. And then I went in with 2 lipsticks because you know I'm extra. And this is Live It Up. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, I love this. Live It Up. And then in the center, I put a little bit of Kim KW just to kind of lighten it up a little bit more. And then I went in with the new Pink Gasm gloss. And those are my lips. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I have a couple more tutorials coming up with a couple more Charlotte Tilbury palettes. One of them is being discontinued, but I'm going to show it anyways because you might have it, or maybe you're going to want to get it. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. Please make sure that you smash that subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. You guys mean so much to me, and your support. I truly appreciate it. I would really also appreciate it if you would please make sure to like, share, comment on my videos to push them out to the algorithm. We need to wake it up, okay? Thank you. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.